Okay, so it is July 15th, 1:23 p.m. Wednesday. This is coming off my old phone. This is my S24. Yeah. So today we're going to be doing a video of all the ceiling fans and air conditioners installed in the house. Because I did put up a video a few nights ago, or Monday night, when my friends left. So I was like, let me just do a few second clip of it. We're going to start in my bedroom with the Harbor Breeze Maison ceiling fan. I've got this brand new in 2021. And it's been pretty reliable ever since for a modern ceiling fan. So yeah, we'll go ahead and show you what that is in a moment. Oh. That's right, the switch is off. Duh. Forgot I turned the switch off. Here's the wide angle on my new S26 Ultra. Yeah, I have switched to the S26 Ultra for a few main reasons. The battery on my S24 sucked after 2 years. I couldn't deal with it anymore, so I was like, I have to get a new fucking phone. The storage was pretty much up. And, yeah. So, I had my mind on a few phones. But then I was like, the S26 Ultra is pretty cool with its privacy display and its cameras. So, yeah. I got it. Not bragging or anything, but just wanted y'all to know that I got the Ultra now. And I'm pretty happy about it. Still getting used to how big this damn thing is. There's Lola. She just came in. Here in the living room, we have the Hunter Shot for 2. The most popular ceiling fan in my house. A lot of you seem to love this ceiling fan for some reason. I don't know why, but the past few videos that I've made on the ceiling fan have gotten a lot of views. It is running on medium right now. I'll go ahead and turn on the big lights. Wow, what a difference between the S24. Holy shit. I'll go ahead and bump it down to low real quick. Just so you can see the range and speeds on this. This fan runs on high, mostly 24/7. I think this fan was actually running last night when I was in here. That was. I usually keep this fan on high during the night when she's laying in here. She wasn't laying in here last night. Just gonna bump it to high. Just gonna keep it on high for her. I'm gonna do this video fairly quickly. Just because I want to get out of the way because I am hungry. In the living room, might as well start off with this one since it's already here. Or since I'm already in the room, might as well. Got the 2015 General Electric 24,000 BTU running. This is usually what we set it to. High energy saver. Blowing cold. This thing has actually been pretty damn good. It is a fairly good unit, not gonna lie. One of the best GE made back in 2015. I don't know if they still make these anymore. Here's the data plate for anyone that wants a model number or anything. January 2015. It's a 230 volt unit. This is on its this is on a separate circuit, by the way. It is 24,200 BTUs. Yeah. Good unit. No, I'll keep those on. Fuck it. Moving on into my mom's last sister's room, we have the Encon, the 1990 Encon. Oops. This thing's still going strong. Oh, the light was off when I came in here, so we're gonna keep it off. Next, we have the 2006 Amana 6,000 BTU window air conditioner that needs to be cleaned. Look how filthy this fucking thing is. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned desperately. I keep saying it needs to be cleaned. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure if you could read that, but there's a data plate for that thing. Moving on to the newest edition, or actually no, let's not do the newest edition right now. Let's do the Hampton Bay. Let's do the Hampton Bay first. Here is the Hampton Bay ceiling fan in my grandparents' room. Forget the model number, for the model name of the Hawkins, Hampton Bay Hawkins. I'm not going to mess with this one. But yeah, there it is. Now, for the newest edition, I have to do a separate video of this, which I honestly might, but I don't really feel like closing that window. Honestly, don't really feel like closing that window, so, but this might be the only time where I could actually get like a separate video of it. So, I'm going to pan very slowly. That's right. We have a new air conditioner, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 2007 Frigidaire 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. Yeah. Fun fact, this unit is a month newer than my Frigidaire in my bedroom. November, this one, show you. This one, my 5200 BTU Frigidaire window air conditioner. It was manufactured in November of 2007. And it has this control board. This one was manufactured in December of 2007. And the model number on this one is FAC127S1A. It is 115 volts, 60 hertz. It is 12,000 BTUs, has an EER of 10.8. Is 10.2 amps and 1,110 watts. Jesus Christ. And it is an R22 unit. I wanted an R22 unit back in this room. It has 31.75 ounces of it. Made in the China. It's got one of these. I haven't seen one of these on a modern unit. Does it work? I'm not sure if it works. I don't want to mess with it though. But yeah, this one has the same pretty much the same thing. The scripted Frigidaire logo on the front, and then the bold font Frigidaire badge on the back, which I'll show you the back of it in a minute. Something I'm not too happy with this unit. Well, I am happy with this unit. It works great. There is one component in this unit that I honestly wish could be better, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what you guys think. But here, this is the control panel for this one. It is pretty much the same thing as mine, just more base model-ish kind of. I believe no. There's the filter. There's the evaporator coil. It was a little dirty. Not very much. Alright. Let's go ahead and show you the outside of this unit. Actually, before we show you the outside of this unit, there's the top of the unit. I'm not sure what fan motor this unit has, so could be a Welling. I'm not sure what mine has either. That is a 12,000 BTU. I might start it up later. Might. We'll see. But that is a 12,000 BTU. If I start that up and leave this door open, turn off the GE, that thing could cool the entire house. Alright. Here is the condenser side of the new 12K Frigidaire. You can see the fan motor in there. I believe focus. Can you focus? I think it's a Welling fan motor. I could tell by that the blue thing, but I could be wrong. In the garage, I still have that I need to paint. But in the garage, if you're wondering where the old GE 5050 went, why is this? Ugh. Let's go ahead and move this up a little bit so I could get a better fucking we could get a better view of the damn thing. Here's the old GE 5050. For anyone that was curious, she's sitting in the garage. Yeah. Just to show you how fucking bad this thing got. And this is newer. I don't like these units. I'm just going to be honest. I do not like these little things. January of 2017. This is a, what, 9-10-year-old air conditioner? And we already retired it. 5050 BTU, 115 volts, 4 apertures, single phase, 60 hertz. R410A. Yeah. I don't like R410 units. They don't cool as good as R22 units. But just so we're clear, we replaced it because it's dirty and my grandparents don't want me cleaning the air conditioner out, which you really need to. But now we can see what components this thing has. Is that a Broad Ocean motor? I believe that is a Broad Ocean fan motor. I could be wrong. Then here is the compressor. This one utilizes the GREE rotary compressor. I don't know how well y'all can see it. Yeah. There it is, GREE. I think they're a Chinese company, but they seem to make their own components and stuff. I can't really tell. Normally protected R410A. I don't know how GREE does their what you call it? That's a condenser, by the way. How to tell oh, it's a oh, interesting. It's like pretty much the smaller case, but the one in the living room. It's pretty much the same thing with smaller case. What you call it? The fucking data manufacturer on the compressor. Now, the Frigidaire. Oh, I have to finish with the Happy Home. This one is also AEM certified, or yeah. This one, as you can see, has a lousy garbage compressor. Not too happy about that, but whatever. It works. And it was manufactured in 2007. December of 2007. Which is actually kind of funny, because I took a picture of the data plate on the compressor, and I asked Google, I was like, how when an LG compressor was manufactured. So I was curious when the compressor was manufactured. Nah, baby. So yeah. It is a month newer than mine. But that's pretty much about it, everyone. I'll do a startup video of that probably. I'll do a startup video of this. Probably a little later on, but yeah.